Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can block or unblock contacts from FaceTime video call on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on FaceTime, and in FaceTime you can see there is a list of recent calls. So if you want to block a contact or a phone number or an email address, just tap on the information button. So we're just going to go down, tap on the information button, and then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on block this caller. So I'll go back here and let's say I want to block this one, and then tap on block this caller, then tap on block contact. So you have now successfully blocked them. If you want to unblock it, you can go back in here. So you can go back into that same contact and then tap on unblock this caller. Okay, so that is one way. Another way how you can block them is to go through settings. So in settings, we scroll down. So in settings, scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on block contacts. And in here, tap on add new, and from your contacts list, select a contact that you would like to block. And now you can see you have successfully added them to the block list. And to unblock them, you will need to go back into that same block contacts list page. So in settings, go down to FaceTime, and then we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on block contacts. Now let's say I want to unblock Fred. So I can swipe across and then tap on unblock, then swipe across and tap on unblock to unblock Fred. And that's it. That is how you can block or unblock contacts from calling you in FaceTime video call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.